Imagine, when me make a little money off of it. Me no want stay here and done here for it. Aye, but I'm afraid to go home. Them town Jamaica in a big war zone. Me want go back to Jamaica, but I'm afraid star. All the things them want me see and want me hear star. Everywhere you turn a gun, just pure blood a run. And the gunman them not behave star. Me want go back to my country, but I'm afraid star. All the things them want me see and want me hear star. Everywhere you turn a gun, just pure blood a run. And the gunman them not behave star. Them a murder people in a broad plain day. Me see man fly down and get killed the same day. Me no feel like me want live back this up. And enough people me no feel the same way. When me watch the news, face full of me eye man. Me have to try hold it back and no cry man. And the government really sit down with them dirty criminal they mash up the island. When they talk the truth, them no rate it. A reality so them can debate it. If you continue like this 5 years from now, Jamaica worse than Haiti. Why you think no people now come back? Cause I'm afraid that them a go get gunshot. You know much time me book my ticket and reach a airport and turn back. You want to come back and take a them now me hear star. No one go back and me yard but me afraid star. Cause the things them want me see and want me hear star. Everywhere we turn a gun, I just pure blood a run and the gunman